man, you guys, it's so cold outside. It's 8 o'clock. I have to milk the goats. I figured I'll show you guys how all the animals fared through the night of super cold as I check on them too, so me and you will see them for the first time at the same time. Alright, obviously, because I'm milking, I have to check on the goats first. Hi, goats! Tessa, you look okay. The chickens look alive. Penny's over there. That's better. Penny's over there. Keely, Millie, Patch. How'd you girls fare? There's some chicks in with them. Both girls are okay. Did your waters freeze? The water looks fresh to me. That's really good. It means that it stayed warm in here. That water's fresh. The chickens are fine. Rabbits look fine. I'm so glad they did okay. Especially because it was so warm, and then in a couple days it just got so cold so fast. Oh my gosh, but they're so fluffy with their little winter coats. They're so fluffy and so cute. Alright, you guys ready to be milked? We'll check on the other animals once we're done milking, okay? Both Angoras look fine, but their water froze. Unlike the barn, so it shows that the barn was warmer than out here. Oh, it is so cold. And Sterling looks fine, but his water froze too. Checking on the chicks, it feels warm in here. They're all alive in here, yay! And then these guys, yay, they're all alive too, hooray! And their waters didn't freeze either, so that means they stayed nice and warm.